Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to remove copyright claim sound from your video. Yes, copyright claim sound. Now what is a copyright claim? A copyright claim is a claim that YouTube places on your video if you are not the original owner of that video, or if something about your video is not originally yours and if it belongs to someone else, if someone has already made claim to that video or something about that video. Now when I say something, it could range from background sound to background image to background videos on that particular video. So if it belongs to someone else, or you kind of downloaded it from another platform or from YouTube itself and re-uploaded it on your own channel, YouTube can place a copyright claim on it. So in order for you to be able to remove the copyright claim, I'm going to teach you how you can do that in this video. Now, copyright claims can be made on videos, background images, or that you may have downloaded from maybe external websites that are premium contents. You know, some people can just go to other websites to download images or background videos without checking properly if those contents are premium contents. There are also free contents that you can use, but make sure to watch out for those premium contents if you are not subscribed to it, and avoid them so that by the time you use it to create your video, YouTube will not place a copyright claim on it. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove background sound from your video that has a copyright claim on it. Now if you do not have the right to use that content and you use it, if you are a monetized channel, whatever revenue that comes from that video will be given to the original owner or the original person that has claimed right to that particular content. Yes, you will not get any revenue for it from that video. But if you know that yes, the content is your original content, you can dispute it. You can dispute it with YouTube, or if you have the right to use it, yes, you can also dispute it. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right into the editing of the video. So from your dashboard, you go to YouTube Studio. Here, go to YouTube Studio. Mind you, you can only do this on your laptop, but if you want to do it on your mobile phone, you'll have to make sure that your mobile phone is in desktop mode. You put it on desktop mode so that you'll be able to view your dashboard very well. So from here, you go to content. Now for the purpose of this video, I already uploaded a short video that I'm going to be using to teach, and on that video I used a copyrighted sound on it, a background sound. So now this is the video that has the copyright, so you can see it here. This is the particular video. It's just a 3-minute video, just to, you know, for the purpose of this video. So it's always advisable that when you are uploading a video, do not put it in public immediately. Put it on private, so that by the time you upload that video and there's a copyright claim on it, you have the time to go back to either delete or, you know, remove or cut out whatever it is that has that copyright on it. Because it's always very painful that after uploading a video and the video start getting views, and then you discover that there's a copyright claim. By the time you delete that video, all the views are gone. So it's best you always upload your video and put it on private and wait for a little while, YouTube will notify you whether or not there is a copyright claim on it. So if there's no copyright claim, then you can go ahead and publish your video to the public. But if there is a copyright claim, you have the time to quickly make some changes. So right now, from here, this is the video that we're going to be working on. So the next thing, you place your cursor here, you see details, and you click on see details. When you click on see details, and then you see say the content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel. Yes, it's not a copyright strike. Now this is the sound here, the background sound I use, and this is the owner of the sound. This is the name of the owner, Fast Sound. You can see, so content found during that the duration where the background sound was found. You see, from 00 to 3 minutes of the video, and the video is 3 minutes long, which means all through the whole duration of the video has that sound on it. So what you need to do here is come this way, select action, click on select action. When you click on select action, now YouTube is going to give you 4 options. Now the first one says erase song. Here is telling you to remove the claimed song while keeping other sounds such as speech, or mute all sound. Now this particular one is telling you to remove only the background sound of that video. Well, if maybe there's a speech on the video, you can this as well. If you want to leave the speech of the video, you have to click on this and remove only the background sound. You click on this first option. Or if you want to mute the whole video, it's up to you, the choice is yours. So you can choose this first option. But if this first option is not what you want, you can go to the next. Here it says replace song. Now replacing of song, you have to pick audio from the YouTube audio library to replace the claimed audio and resolve the claim. And this next one is for you to dispute a claim if you have the necessary rights to the content or other valid reasons. It can take up to 30 days for a final resolution from the claimant. You see, this, if you know that yes, the content is your original content, that you did not steal it from anybody, you are the one that created that content, you can actually dispute that claim. And the last one is to trim out segment. Now this trim out segment is unavailable because we have the background sound on all the video, like from the beginning to the end. Sometimes it may not be from the beginning to the end, it may be part of the video. So if you have such, you can just trim out the particular segment out of the video. So for this, I'm going to be replacing this song here. So I'm going to click on this, replace song, and then click on continue. So click on continue. Now here we are. Now this is the sound here. You can see from the beginning of the video all the way to the end of the video. You can see this sound cannot be monetized if you use it. You can see here, cannot be monetized because it's not your sound. So from here, now we want to remove this sound entirely. We want to replace this sound. This is YouTube audio library. So every sound here, every background sound here, they are all free for you to use. So you can choose from any one of the videos. So now this video is a 3-minute duration. What I advise most of the time, these are the songs, and you can see this one, Statement, has 3 minutes. This Jazz in Paris has 1 minute and 43 seconds. Now if you use this sound, it's not going to cover up the whole of the video of this sound. So you have to also choose another sound that will cover up the remaining part of the video. So what I usually do, in order for my videos not to have 2 different types of sound, I take my time, patiently look for any sound that has more than the exact duration of the video which I want to remove the copyrighted song. So you just look for the audio that will best suit your video. So
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no.
this is too fast for me, but for the sake of this video, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how to do this. I'm just going to choose any sound at all. So this sound is 3 minutes 7 seconds and my video is 3 minutes. Okay, you can see 1 second. So I'm just going to choose a background sound that will be able to cover up the whole video. So let me go for this particular one. When you play it,
I don't ever slow up, no.
And you see that okay, you are good with the sound,
I don't ever
so
slow up, no I don't.
you just go ahead and choose any of the background sound. This too, it's another one. So you can just go ahead and click on add. By the time you click on add, you see it has covered the whole sound that was originally there. So it's just going to load for some time because it's trying to cover up everything and ensuring that there's no part of it left out. So when this is done, yes, you just wait for it to load for some time. So now our video has finished uploading, so you can just go ahead and play this video and listen to the sound on the video. So now you can see that this song has been applied to the video entirely, and then the next thing for you to do, you are done here, then the next thing for you to do is to click on save. You understand? So you click on save. If you do not want that particular change, you can just discard changes to that video that you have made, and then you click save. So now it says ready to replace song. This process might take a while. Once the audio claim has been successfully replaced, we will update any viewing or monetization restrictions. Users will continue to see the current version of your video until the edits have been processed. So you click on save and wait for it to load. Now good. So now you can see it says video editing is in progress, which means yes, we have successfully changed the audio sound, but we are going to wait for YouTube to process it. But it doesn't take time, not up to 24 hours. And then you close. By the time you close, you can see that our restrictions before here was copyright, but now you can see it's saying checking one found. So YouTube is checking the sound and trying to include it in your video and erase the previous copyrighted sound. So not up to 24 hours. You see that by the time you come back to check, just the way these ones here are written none, that's how this one also will be. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, please do well to like this video, give us a subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can always be notified whenever I upload new video. Please do well to support my YouTube channel, my growing channel. Please, if you know that this video has been helpful to you one way or the other. So thank you so much. Until I see you again in my next video. Bye.